She still have them?
Same as for tickets.
I think the baby's got the hiccups. Oh, there it was. There it is. You got the hiccups, baby. You sure do.
Poor little Hiccups.
I know. You're so cross-eyed right now.
Tupac, I know.
And then we turn around and that guy turns around. Somebody on the wire. Somebody on the wire.
Uh-oh.
I said, hey, we're spending $8,000. No, don't do us on the wire, put We very much appreciate your visit. Thank you. Don't come again. Thank you. Now we're going to take you to the county line and the beautiful, wonderful sport.
Oh, the big hiccups.
Aww. Let's see if we can get rid of them by sucking.
Here, let me help you out with your water supply.
She really knows what's going on.
Look at that. Let's take a swim in Lake Reno. Oh, look at that. Wait. I'm spending in your jurisdiction. I'll just spend your jurisdiction. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that? I'm running out of spit too. Let's give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. All right. Give it a second. Let's all get a little more spit. How's it going over there in sports? I hear your library got a book. And, thank you. And I heard it's not all the way colored in. You guys don't even have sex with your own family. Because not even your family wants
It's okay. Oh, big yawns.
Did you understand what
Woo.
I'm saying? That our families are sexy because of course they have sex with each other.
Oh, look at you. You're making the funniest faces right now. There's the finger. Are hiccups gone? No?
Cindy, hi. There were 3 jars of urine. Of my
Baby's got the hiccups.
And they're over there, and it's my locker, and just my locker is my stuff, and I'm just wondering where the jars of urine are.
It's in the garbage.
Why
Oh, the locker? Did you notice I fold all your clothes and I clean your gun?
That was very nice. That was very nice.
Uh-oh.
Aww.
And the Mickey.
You gonna try? Get rid of it by sucking? Oh. Oh, the dinosaur.
You want an invitation or what? 1 minute? I just want to make sure I get the right one.
Time she it still has the hiccups. What time is she supposed to eat again?
Oh, I don't know what time she is.
Oh no.
Aww.
Officer,
She's so scared.
sir.
Scared, she's just awake. Huh.
Yeah. Take care of that because they'll tell anybody he's an evil man. I'll just set him up over there. It's like he doesn't even smell the deliciousness in his own establishment. How you doing today? You don't want to be here?
You guys want to finish our demo back at me?
No, that's not it. Take another guess.
Oh, bath time.
No. Were you up, maybe up on the roof up there, taking pot shots at the freeway?
Did I?
Don't go
Do you
past 10
know
minutes.
anything about that?
You know
Oh.
anything about that?
Standing on the roof shooting
Poor
at the freeway?
Hiccups.
Yeah.
No.
You don't
Poor
know
Hic.
anything
Uh-oh.
But Yes, Mother William?
Who's been on the roof shooting at the freeway? Yeah, that's true.
Got up on the roof and I was like,
so angry. Where's my little dinosaur face?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we're going to the can. We can listen to Tom Water.
I hope you can hear him on the video because it's so funny.
New on DVD. The secret is out. Excuse me, Penny, but we're playing Klingon Boggle. Oh, like she didn't know we were nerds? Season 2 is Sunny Big Theory Season 2 on DVD September 15th. It will knock your socks off.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
We make pasta in a warm seasoned Red Bull.
We came up with a prank.
Hey, baby. You like that pacifier, huh?
Order any Red Bull
Yes, you do.
You're a little gumdrop.
Yes, you do.
More cash over here.
It's much easier to find
This beanie is so big on it. It's so-
Stretched out a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
It's a little bear.
to shop online. You get insurance's fast 5 discount just for getting an instant online quote.
Thanks, Professor.
Don't forget the good student discount.
And there's even more discounts.
It's no secret that you can save hundreds with Esurance.
Make it your mission to click or call insurance today.
Oh. Can you get rid of him?
If I get rid of him, she eats something, maybe.
Tell her to take it with him on
I gave her a pacifier to suck on, but it's not working.
Here goes the pacifier.
Maybe if you fed her.
Now you can get the great taste of new Kentucky Grilled Chicken for just $1.99. The new Kentucky Grilled Chicken Value Box.
Can I eat?
KFC Ultimate Value Menu. Unthink. It takes the under $2 side of KFC.
You know, I come home from work, I turn on television, and listen to these pundits.
Oh.
American car companies cannot build cars that Americans want.
Try and
Build
eat.
cars that Americans want to buy. In the last few years, we've introduced 5 new models. We're not talking about small changes here, but 5 brand new cars.
Oh no. Oh no.
Fuel efficient, safe, and stylish. So stop by today and check out the great offers on every 2009
How
Saturday.
much time you got left?
We've been doing right by
What?
business since day
3
one.
minutes? Doesn't have to be that long. It's just funny. You're making funny faces right now. There's the hand sucking. There's the hand sucking.
I think this commercial is going to be pretty great. I mean, from what I've seen of what he does, this may end up being a classic. You know, like a where's the beef? And plus I'm in it wearing a unitard with a camel toe. So, tell me where's the beef? Ew.
Moments ago, this was handed to me.
I'm gonna try and
Okay. Baby's gonna eat. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See, I'm so angry because I'm hungry.
Ready?